Hey you! I'm glad you could join us for the video on the YouTube today. Hey guys, so today we're doing a Starfire inspired makeup look. I love Teen Titans, so I'm super excited to do this. I was just trying to think of cosplays that I could do with this hair, and Starfire came into my head. I'm not done with the rest of her cosplay, but I definitely wanted to share the makeup with you guys. Hey guys, welcome back, and if you're new here, welcome. Thanks for joining the Colorful Babe fam. I am Jazzy from naturallycolorfulbabe.com, here to share another Makeup Monday with you guys. Before we get started, I have to say, please make sure you like and subscribe, hit that button, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss another Cosplay Makeup Monday with Jazzy. Alright, gonna get started with the face. I'm mixing two foundations together. I just got this new one from ColourPop, so I had to mix a little bit of my old winter foundation when my skin's a little bit lighter into it so that it kind of matches my skin tone, which I mean, what black girl doesn't go through that? Next, I'm using my Juvia's Place concealer. I actually really love this concealer, and I'm not a huge Juvia's Place fan, but I'm obsessed with this concealer. Just gonna put it all around my face, just doing a normal base. Next, we're gonna take this purple, and we're going to go into the eyes and start our shadow. Then we're going to take a darker purple and mix it into that lighter purpley pink we just did. Next, I'm going to attempt to do some sort of a cut crease. I mean, but we're going to take the concealer, we're going to attempt to do a cut crease. We're going to take this pink and we're going to put it right on top of that concealer. Making sure to blend it out. Next, I'm going to take this really beautiful pink pressed glitter and I'm going to fill in the rest of that space where I didn't put pink eyeshadow. There's still eyeshadow on my brush, so it's going to kind of blend in with the glitter. I'm going to clean it up a bit, take this purple, and I'm going to put that underneath my eyes. I'm going to take this really pretty light shimmery color and put that in the inner corners. Alright, time for some eyeliner. I'm terrible at eyeliner. I mean, it is what it is. But actually, this eyeliner came out pretty even. I was actually really happy about it. I finally just learned how to do eyeliner for my tiny eyes, so I'm really happy with the results. Alright, now I'm going to put some powder underneath my eyes to help get rid of all that extra eyeshadow that does not need to be there. Using my Itzel lip gloss, gonna give my lips some color. Clean up that powder that we put down. I'm going to take some orange and I'm going to use this instead of bronzer to contour my face because Starfire has orange skin, so I'm trying to give my skin the illusion of an orange hue. So just putting that every single place every single place that I would put bronzer. Gonna take this pink blush and put it on my face as a base. And then I'm gonna go in my eyeshadow palette and take a pink and go on top of it. Alright, next it's glitter time. Gonna add this really pretty gold glitter from ColourPop on top of my cheeks. Gonna use some highlighter to make my features pop. Gonna put on these new eyelashes I have from Itzel as well. Putting on mascara first. To keep up to date with all my fun cosplay adventures, make sure that you check out naturallycolorfulbabe.com or check out Naturally Colorful Babe on Instagram. Well, there you have it. Here's our finished look. Thank you guys so much for joining me. This has been a blast. I just wanted to tell you to make sure that you like and comment your favorite Teen Titans character. Mine is Terra. It's not even Starfire, but Starfire is a close second. And also make sure that you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss any more videos. And hey, check out those videos over there. You see them? Yeah, go check them out. I bet they're great. Bye.